How to remove a password from a Word document. Have you ever had the need to protect a Word document with a password, but now you don't need it anymore and want to put it away? Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will find the document from which we want to remove the code. When we open it, a window appears in which we have to enter the code. When we enter the code, the document will be unlocked. Now that the document is unlocked, we will do the next thing in the process to remove the code from it. We will click on the File tab located in the top menu. Here in the list of options on the left, we will find the Info option and click on it. The first option, Protect Document, is marked in yellow, which means that it is active. If we click on it, a list will open where we need to find the Encrypt with Password option and click on it. The password we have already entered will appear. All we have to do is delete it and click the OK button. Now save the document and click again to open it. As you can see, the password no longer appears and the document is ready for use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.